What's going on YouTube? To my two-handed people, my two-handed followers, it's One Hand here. We're actually going to be talking about what's wrong with the red car today. So the problem going on with this red car is really not that big of an issue. If you think about it, it's really a bad issue. It's burning oil currently. Let's see if you can see it on the tips. I did give it a good wash, so you probably won't be able to see it anymore. Yeah, there is like a lot of oil coming out of the exhaust on both sides. This one might be able to show it a little bit more. Yeah, you can see the little black at the bottom from all the grease. But the car is burning oil. We're currently going to be going on our way to Shafter right now to Speedline Motorsports to drop off the car so that we can assess the damage and see what's going on with it. And as well for the 2-valve, it's actually being sold today hopefully. We have a guy coming down from LA wanting to pick it up, so that's going to be bye-bye too as well. But right now we're going to go pick up Lucio, see what we're going to take to Shafter to pick us up. But we'll catch you guys in a bit as soon as we start heading over to Shafter. Okay, so we're pulled up at Speedline right here. We got some pretty fast cars. I know the Shelby right here lost compression in his engine, which kind of sucks. It's been here for a while. Got some Lightnings. Ross's Mustang still there, the one that he wrecked and put his automatic into his GT350R, which is pretty sick. It's the only one in the world that's a GT350R. Got a Termi, another Lightning over there.
That's what happened.
Why is everybody running twin turbos and I'm not?
Slow.
Everybody.
They're more reliable.
Sheesh. On this one? Cars on cars on cars. I didn't even know that was a Shelby GT500 up there. Two SRTs. The 2-valve's still here, guys. So it turns out the buyer flaked. I mean, he showed me a picture with all the cash and everything saying that he had cash in hand, which was complete bullshit. So car's still here. I've had plenty of other offers, just not the ones that I want for the car. So I'm hoping to get at least $4,000 for it. So we'll see what happens. I mean, I've got offered a bunch of times $4,000, but nobody commits to it. Nobody even comes. They just keep making excuses. Oh, this, and that. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna let go of the car for $1 less than that. So car might be staying with the channel for a while. Really depends on how the situation is going right now. Big update on the car though. The driver's side was the side smoking, so we sent out the head, go get looked at, whoever rebuilt it. We think it's a rebuilding issue from the shop that rebuilt the head for it. Yeah guys, just a little update on everything. Want to keep you guys up to date because I know I'm not really uploading every other week or every week like I've been wanting to. It's more like once a month now. But yeah, just giving you guys a little update. Car should be back pretty soon. I mean, it's not that big of an issue. It's already been like a week and a half since the prior clips that you guys seen where we dropped off the car. So we definitely made some progress already. We should have the car back in no time. So that's a good thing. The only bummer thing about this is that I know I really want to keep uploading every week, guys, but there's not really much going on just because of the whole coronavirus. But I'll definitely try my best to keep uploading for you guys, provide some content for you guys so that way you guys can watch something. But again, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support for all my two-handed supporters out there. Again, this has been One Hand. Catch you guys in the next one.